his cockatiel condo, and I have been waiting to meet him, and you could see he's very spoiled. He has tons of toys. Hi, Kiki. Are you gonna come out and play? Come on, pretty boy.
He's not gonna come out unless I get him out.
Okay.
Come here, pretty boy. Oh. Come on, step up. Yep. Nope.
Kiki, come on, your mama wants to show you off. Oh, isn't he pretty?
Alrighty then.
Okay, meet Kiki. He is so pretty. Kiki, hello, Kiki. Hello. Do you talk yet?
He whistles.
You whistle. That was you.
That was me.
Kiki. Hi, pretty boy. So back into your cockatiel condo. All right, here we go. And look at your pretty markings. Okay. There you go. Bye-bye, Kiki.